guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to see more home, holiday, event, wedding, and DIY decor. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a Black Panther themed wedding centerpiece and setup. Here we go. Today I have another Black Panther themed centerpiece. The centerpiece from a couple of days ago was targeted more towards kids or a casual adults party, but this centerpiece is a more sophisticated centerpiece, more for a wedding or an elegant event. And the inspiration behind it are the female warriors of Dora Milaje. Those ladies, the bomb, they were sick. So sick, and I love their outfit and totally my inspiration. All right guys, let's get started. So I'm going to start with my vase, and my vase is going to be a trumpet, and it's very easy to make. I'm going to use 2 beer cups, 2 beer cups from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using 2 tea light candle holders. And I'm just going to turn them over, well, one of them, this one over here, and then I'm going to grab a tea light candle holder and I'm going to apply E6000 all over. For those of you who are new to the channel and don't know anything about, you know, DIYs and glues and stuff like that, E6000 is, you know, the heavy duty or permanent glue, and that's why you want to always use that. But I use hot glue because it bonds immediately, and that's what I need when I'm making this centerpiece for you right now. Okay, so that's the reason I combine it. Okay, you don't only want to use hot glue because it will fall apart on you. Again, I'm going to only apply E6000 in a perfect world where you have lots and lots of time to do things, and I don't. I will only have 1 video a week if I only use E6000. So, you're not looking at this. I am not doing this, okay? A perfect trumpet vase. Love it. I love everything. Here's the deal. I am going to be making 2 of these because I'm not sure if I'm going to want these to be gold. So I'm going to have 1 clear and 1 gold, and I will know for sure once I, you know, put the whole setup together. But right now I'm leaning more towards the gold. I just want to make another one just in case. Plus it gives you a chance to see both styles. I'm going to use my clear base so I can start on my arrangement. And I'm going to glue this round candle holder right on top of it. I'm only going to use hot glue, so I'm going to be able to pop it off if I decide to use the gold one. Now I'm going to glue the floral foam. Before I get started with the floral arrangement and setup, I wanted to show you my inspiration, or the inspiration behind it. Here is the outfit of the Dora Milaje warriors, female warriors. Here's another. Denai, well that's Michonne. Denai is her real name. I forgot her last name. But the girl from Walking Dead, she has gold in the orangey red color, so she's truly my inspiration here, this right here. But I like this design right here, so that's what I'm hoping to let you see in my setup. I'm going to start my arrangement with this beautiful bouquet of, I have no idea what it is. They look like roses and they look like peonies at the same time. And the tag says bushes. So I'm not really sure. All I know is they're beautiful and I'm going to use them. So just take a good look at them. So if you're gonna find these or try to look for these, you know how they look like. These are from Michael's and they were 40% off, $12.99. I'm going to cut these about 5 inches long. To me, that's 5 inches right there. And I'm going to take out the leaves, the extra leaves. I'm gonna leave these. If I need extra leaves later, I'll just add them one by one. But as of right now, I'm going to keep them this long. Yeah, this should be about right. Start by placing a flower on all 4 sides, as I always do. And by the way, don't you love this flower? It's like an orangey, it has a little bit of yellow and like purple at the ends, or fuchsia at the end. I'm really liking these colors. Now I'm going to add some on top. Did you see what I did there? So I basically have 4 at the bottom, and then on top is, you know, in every other. You see that? Now I'm going to add blue hydrangeas. These are blue hydrangeas from Dollar Tree. This year's hydrangeas are very, very nice. They're thicker and they're fuller. Whoop, this way. I'm going to make these about 3 to 4 inches long. Just a little shorter than the others. I'm going to place the hydrangeas in between the peonies / roses, not sure what it is. I'm gonna place them right here. I use 4 individuals to make 1 flower. The orange flowers came with this closed flowers. And I'm going to place them in between the blue flower and the orange flower, if that makes any sense. So right about here. Now I'm going to add more blue hydrangeas in between the orange flowers on top. These are going to be about 5 inches long. More blue hydrangeas to the middle of the arrangement to fill in this space, and I'm going to cut them about 5 inches long. So I ended up adding 4 individuals only. It's the same equivalent as 1 flower, so this is what's right here. And now I'm going to add more of the orange flowers, and I'm going to be placing them in between the blue hydrangeas to break that up a little bit. Now I'm going to add the signature necklace from Black Panther. This is in an orangey red color, same color as the Dora Milaje's uniform or outfit. I love it. This is also going to go well with the runner that I have for the table. And it should look something like this. As of right now, I have it glued on with hot glue, but this is not going to work. If you have it for your reception, it will fall apart after some heat. But right now, I just have it like this so I can see how it looks like, because I'm not sure if I'm going to use the clear one or if I'm going to use the gold one. I'm going to go ahead and show you how it looks with the clear. Now let's see how it looks like with the gold base. Okay, so here's a more secure way to hang the necklace on the vase. I have some wire. This is gold wired. I'm not sure where I got it from. It's been sitting on my junk drawer for a while. Obviously, look at that. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit of this wire and I'm going to put it through the holes here. And I'm going to twist. And you're going to put it through on this side as well, but you're not going to tie it. All right, and then you are going to split them right here on top. I think that should be good. Okay, so just like hug these, or push them together so you can lock in place there. And then you are going to twist here. Let me cut it a little bit. So this will be a more proper way to have it hanging there, okay? It looks nice. Look at that. So pretty. I think I'm right. I think the gold one is gonna be the winner. This looks so good. All right, so now I'm going to place the arrangement right on top. For those of you who are new to my channel, I wanted to quickly tell you how I made my Wakanda table sign. For those of you who are subscribers, you see me do this all the time. I pretty much make this for all of my setups for my weddings. And I'm not gonna go through it step by step like I usually do. I'm just going to attach a video at the end of this video so you can see how I do it, okay? But right now I'm just gonna quickly tell you. So I use metallic gold spray paint to paint my silver picture frame. This is a 3x5x5. And then I printed out, I wrote and printed out Wakanda table on just a regular sheet of paper. And then you're going to take the whole content out and you are going to place the glass over it. You're going to center it. And then you are going to grab your paint marker and you are going to trace the word over the glass. And then you're going to grab a little piece of your metallic fabric and you are going to place it at the bottom. And then you are going to cut a little piece of the wrapping paper, this area right here, and you're going to place that over the fabric. And then you are going to place the glass right on top. And that's how you get this. Okay, bear with me on this one. So I found this cat at Dollar Tree and it's actually a pen. Look at that. It's a pen. I wanted to incorporate something Black Panther-ish on the setup. And yes, I know it's not a panther, it's a cat, but I love the shape of it. Look how cute. And it should be in the same family, right? So I'm going to use it. I'm going to add a little glue right here so it can stay shut. And then I'm going to paint it black. Okay guys, this is it. This is my Black Panther Wakanda Dora Milaje Warrior centerpiece. I wasn't sure what to call it, so I am naming it that. I am loving the way the centerpiece captured the essence of the Dora Milaje warriors. The orangey red color is one of my favorite colors now. I love it. And by the way, the metallic orangey red material that you see in my table number and that you are going to see on this setup was only $2.99 a yard. Amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe and make sure to share it. Be nice. Also, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought of my centerpiece, and leave me a comment anyway because I love to chit chat with you guys all the time. Until next time, bye.